Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel and another security and privacy Facebook video. Yes, we are taking a look at what is important and should be important for everybody on Facebook. So we're going to talk about another privacy setting and security setting if you want. And it has to do with how people can find you or contact you if they wish on the Facebook social media site. There are numerous ways you can lock down your account. When you actually have your account on Facebook, the first settings, the one by defaults, are that pretty much anybody can find you on the internet. Anybody can find you by searching your name and do a friend request. And that might not be a good idea. I mean, there's a lot of people out there that just try to do friend requests just to, find a way to either hack into your accounts or just, maybe there are some bad people out there that just try to find people, try to lure them into believing maybe they love them or things like that. And they end up in a mess and losing money or, in really bad situations. Facebook, unfortunately, is nice on certain sides. It's fun to keep track of your friends and family. It's also a place where you can really find bad people that try to actually do some really bad things to you. So, how do you actually get to have a limit on how people can find you? And there are several settings here that are important. So, go into your Facebook account. Go into the little arrow, down pointing arrow on the upper right corner. Go into settings. In here, go into privacy on the left side and get yourself into the how people find and contact you section of this page. First one, who can send you friend requests? And here it is. Mine is set at friends of friends. Now let's check the possibilities. If I edit, there are everyone or friends of friends. What does that change? Everyone means anybody that finds me could say, hey, I want to be your friend. And that's not what you want. For security reasons, it's better to lock it down. So friends of friends. That means if somebody wants to do a friend request, and of course, you always have the control because you can always refuse a friend request. But here, only if you're friends with somebody that knows me, that is my friend, can you ask me for a friend request. And that is a setting that should always be set up like that. Yes, it means that it might be more difficult to get friends with somebody, but at least you won't have anyone around the world just trying to be friends with you all the time. Who can see your friends list? This one is important. This one is very important because it has different settings. Public, friends, only me, or custom. Here's the thing. When you are friends with people and have many friends on Facebook, your friends might not want other friends or other people, not everybody at least, to know that, they are friends with you. There are situations, and pretty much everybody has lived through that, a situation where, yeah, you know someone, but you might not want that person to be a friend of yours because she is annoying, or, it's complicated, or there's so many reasons why you don't want to be friends with someone. Well, that's where you don't want to have it public. Because that means if that is public, anybody that looks at your profile, even somebody that's not on Facebook, could see everybody else that is your friend. And sometimes, and even often, there are situations where someone might actually look at you or your profile because they're searching for a way to sneak themselves into being friends with somebody that might not be interested. And by doing that, well, they may say, oh, you're friends with her or him. And then they might want to, of course, be friends with you, so they can be friends with her or him that maybe doesn't want to see or have contacts with him. So you get the drift of how complex the interactions could be with, Facebook. So I limit the list to friends. My friends can see my friends list because my friends I kind of choose carefully, and I'm okay with the fact that they can see my friends that I have. Only me, that means you're just locked down. You don't want anybody to know you're friends with who, and that also is a possibility for a lot of people. That could be what you want. I don't want no one to know who I'm friends with. So you just click only me. And custom, well, you just decide whoever you want to have that happen with. Then, who can look up using the email address you provided? Well, I put friends also. Because remember, when you logged into Facebook for the first time, you provided an email. And some people might actually have that email and try to search for you through email. By not allowing everyone to do so, by not doing a public search, or everyone search, well, you're locking down your account, so not a lot of people can find it. Friends of friends, that means it limits to the friends of your own friends. Maybe you don't want that. Maybe you want it to be just very local. Well, friends or only me. Once again, only me is a very locked down account. It might be annoying because a lot of people won't find you that you might want to have as friends, but at the same time, it protects you. Not a lot of people can actually see things. Who can look you up using the phone number you provided? Now, this one I put only me because I don't want no one to use my phone number or find out my phone number because of this setting. So I locked it down to only me. Once again, it has the same settings of everyone, which means anybody searching on Google with, a phone number could find my account and stuff like that. And finally, do you want your search engines outside of Facebook to link you to your profile? I have chosen no. Most people are at yes. That means if I search for you through Google, your Facebook profile might show up. And maybe you don't want that. Maybe you want to be as anonymous as possible on your Facebook account. Well then, if that's the case, you want to set this to no. You don't want to have that allow search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile. By doing this, you would allow, for example, Google or DuckDuckGo or any search provider finding you just with your name through Google. By putting no, no one will see it. If anybody searches for a profile on Google, it's not supposed to show up. So these are very important privacy settings that you need to understand. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.